And welcome everybody to the Daily Space Weather Video, a regular feature at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And we've changed up the format a little bit today. It all has to do with the pathetic censorship on the YouTube platform. We've reduced the exclusivity. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. We're starting things out looking at the sun. Some filamentary activity in the northern hemisphere, also two large sunspot groups, and an active region rising. I called it by looking at the magnetogram a few days ago. See our previous daily space weather videos for details. Let's take a look at this active region rising here in 304 angstroms. That's ionized helium from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. And today, rather than show the plain old magnetogram, oh, here's 171 angstroms as well. And today, rather than show the colorized magnetogram alone, we decided to show 171 angstroms along with it. Because, well, it's just good stuff. So there you go. There's a great full disk view from the SDO colorized magnetogram along with 171 angstroms. Here's some more views of the closest star, and thanks for tuning in, all of you stargazers out there. This is 335 angstroms, and you can see that bright active region rising there. Will it be a sunspot? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. There's a close-up. Interesting plasma sprite down here. Is it an alien spacecraft? Let us know what you think in the comments. So we've really seen a reduction here in solar activity in the past 24 hours. The radioflux has come down to 92 solar flux units. There's the one-year chart. The black line is the radioflux. The red line is the sunspot number. You can see it's dropped way down. But we are seeing this ongoing trend here throughout solar cycle 25. It's ramping up a bit early here as we see higher lows and higher highs. No space weather storms in the forecast at the moment, according to the NOAA Space Weather Enthusiasts dashboard. So let's take a brief look at seismicity here. We have had one 6+ magnitude quake in the past 24 hours. We are seeing an ongoing 7 magnitude earthquake drought. Those tend to end in large earthquakes. In fact, historically speaking, they've always ended in large earthquakes. Let's see what's been shaken. The largest quake of the past 24 is this 6.2, located on this Malaysian island here, not too far from Kuala Lumpur, likely to have been felt there. And let us know in the comments if you felt that quake, or if you're visible on this map. Let us know in the comments. That 6.2 happened at 1:39 Universal Time this morning. Let's go to the bottom of the list for the past 24 and just scroll up here. If we fail to report on anything, let us know in the comments about that. Afghanistan saw a deep quake at a 4.6 magnitude. Indonesia saw a 5.0 just 4 minutes before that 6.2. So that was a legit foreshock there, folks. A 5.0 happening right before that 6.2. Why did I say Malaysia? It's clearly showing Indonesia. All right, I'm clearly not familiar with the political boundaries of Southeast Asia. Let's continue on and not worry about it. The likelihood of my going there seems to be dropping year after year, whether it's because of COVIDiocy or whether it's because of warfare. Japan saw a 5.3. So again, the 7 magnitude earthquake drought continues. Let's check volcanoes here real quick in our first of 3 daily space weather videos. By the way, congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Let us know how you figured it out. Did the algorithm actually recommend the channel to you? As far as volcanoes erupting, Semeru, located on the Isle of East Java, is producing a 14,000-foot plume of volcanic ash. We've got an image of Halema Uma'u crater there. That's part of the Kilauea complex. Kilauea showing up here on the list again. Slight uplift showing up at the summit tilt meter at Kilauea. So some inflation happening there. Do you think it will erupt again? Let us know what you think in the comments. Popocatépetl, located in central Mexico there, northeast of Mexico City. Showing up on the list. No indication of the size of the volcanic ash plume, if there indeed is one. Explosive activity does continue in Vulcanian-style eruptions. Fuego exploding in Guatemala, 16,000-foot ash plume from Fuego. Telica, located in the country of Nicaragua. Mild explosive activity there. Explosive activity also at Nevado del Ruiz, 22,000-foot ash plume over Colombia from Nevado del Ruiz. Sangay in Ecuador, exploding, flight level 200. That's a 20,000-foot volcanic ash plume. Revenador in that same nation of Ecuador, 15,000-foot ash plume as Revenador explodes, and we're unable to detect whether or not Sabancaya in Peru is erupting. Please assume it is, and obey the exclusion zones. One thing we're not excluding is the promotion of our merch located at the Redbubble shop. You can find links below the video as well as on our homepage at smashamash.com. We've opened up all of the designs for sale through the month of March. We'll be reducing the number from 27. Through the month of February, rather. We'll be reducing the number of 27 to less than that in March. Today's featured product is Google Defined. Are you still using Google as a verb? Let me define the word Google for you. Google, as a verb, is defined as obtaining biased search results on the World Wide Web by using the Google Junkware search engine. To use it in a sentence, I Googled it and now I know less about it. That's today's featured product. And it's part of today's theme. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance, folks. Congratulations on absorbing some facts from the internet. We like to put those out on the channel on the regs. This is our first of 3 daily space weather videos. It was originally streamed live to Twitch. Once again, congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Thanks for tuning in. Please tell your friends and foes about us on whatever platform you're viewing the content. These videos used to be exclusive to YouTube, and now, not so much. It was originally streamed live to Twitch. It's also appearing on BitChute. So please support the channel via our links. And I'll have been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.